Hi folks, David here. Wow, I had a lot of very, very nice comments on my last video. Thank you all very much. We're keeping safe as much as we can. I don't really know how much of my personal life to get into all of this, but yeah, we're taking care of ourselves. Like I said, I have children. One of them is in the army, and safe. Okay, I don't want to say any more. Yeah, thanks again for all your wonderful comments. And since I posted that video, not connected to the video, just word of mouth, I've been making these wooden devices for people. I'm not charging money. If anyone's watching this and they want one, just come, I'll make it for you. My pleasure. I hope you never have to use it. So I feel like I've been doing something, at least, by making these wooden devices for people. And I've been having students coming. Yeah, I think it's very, very good for people. A lot of other people like me, their kids are in the army and friends, relatives, loved ones involved. So it's a bit of escapism for people, take their mind off things, do something completely different for a couple of hours. That's really good. Regarding the situation here, I said I'm not taking sides. Well, I'm not taking sides, but yeah, I'm definitely not on the side of Hamas, right? Don't get me wrong here. Hamas is one thing. It's a terrible, evil thing. The Palestinian people are another thing. So anybody, I don't know, maybe go and do some homework, go and watch some videos, and watch a lot of videos if you're going to do some research to make sure you get your facts right. Check out dates, times, United Nations. Find out for yourselves. I'm not going to tell you. Find out for yourselves what's really been going on here for the last 70 years. Find out for yourselves about what peace treaties Israel has accepted and have always been turned down by the other sides. Find out for yourselves. Check the dates. Do some research, please, before you remark on my videos, other people's videos. Really get to know what's going on here. It's a very big mess. It's a huge mess. A lot of mistakes have been made throughout history, but here and now, this is where we are. And people like Hamas and Iran, their policy is the destruction of Israel. So how do you deal with that? How do you deal with that? You can't make peace with these people. Any peace you offer them, they're going to turn it down. Now, this isn't the Palestinian people. I'm not talking about the Palestinian people. I'm talking particularly about ISIS, about Hamas. These are evil organizations. And, well, you know, I'm sure you've all seen images, you know what they're capable of. So there we go. So yeah, it's very, very frightening times here. This isn't a video about woodwork at all. As you see, I'm sitting in my workshop. I had some students here this morning. These were some people doing a course, some other people working on their own projects. That's what's going on with me. I just wanted to let you all know I'm safe. Thank you ever so much for all your lovely, kind comments. Yeah, I want to make some project-based videos. It's just a little bit hard. I really feel when I'm not here, I should be at home. Yeah, but I will put up some more videos. I will keep you posted. And if you've got any questions, please ask in the comments below. If you've got any negative stuff to say, I mean, you can say it. I'm not going to censor you or anything, but maybe think twice before you write a comment. Okay, guys, stay safe, be well, and I will be in touch with you. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.